Shall we start now? I think we were in 7.3, the last short note of the chapter. Yes or no? Okay. And what was the title of the short note? Yoon Seng. Okay. Actually, first point was already marked. We have to start with second point, but we'll start with first itself because it was the end of the lecture. If anybody had missed it out, or you might have not marked it because of any of the issues, then I'm giving you the answer of Yoon Seng short note from point one itself. Okay. Ready, all of you? Okay. Can you see the textbook on your screen? Okay. So, as I told you, you will be writing point wise. वो point wise मैंने आपको समझाया था ना कैसे लिखना है वो. Okay. Mantra and Naman. Just a minute. Okay. Let us start with the short note from point number one itself. First point is here. The Chinese traveler Yun Seng visited India during Harsha's reign and studied Buddhism at Nalanda for 5 years. Up to this. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4 and 5 points are in this box. Things to know वाले box में. Point number 2 क्या होगा? Yun Seng stayed in India for 15 years and visited different places. Then 3. He has described the social, political and religious conditions of that time. 4. In 645 CE, he returned to China via Central Asia and took with him many books, relics, and statues. 5. During his stay, he attended the 6th Buddhist religious congregation at Prayag. So, this makes your point number 1. And here you have 2, 3, 4, and 5th point. Still, we have point number 6 in the next page, but before that, you complete this much. Any doubts? Anybody? Okay, now I'm turning the page and here we have been given point number 6. Only one point is there. Okay, can you see the next page, all of you? Okay, you will start from here. Yun Seng visited the court of Pulkeshi II and has given a vivid account of its grandeur, up to grandeur. This makes your last point number 6. Here we end the short note and we end the chapter also. Write this point and then I will tell you what to do next. Any doubts? Okay, start writing. Okay, so here we complete our chapter number 1, explanation as well as writing work. Okay, now comes chapter number 2. Now chapter 2 also explanation is already done. हमें ऐसा लगा था कि जब तक explanation खत्म हो जाएगा, by that time we will get the workbooks. लेकिन चैप्टर 1, 2, 3 का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी हो गया, चैप्टर 1 का राइटिंग वर्क भी हो गया. स्टिल वी डोंट हैव आइदर द टेक्स्ट बुक और द वर्कबुक. तो चैप्टर 2 ऑल्सो उसका राइटिंग वर्क हम लोग क्लास वर्क में ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे एज वी डिड इन चैप्टर 1. Okay, so now what you will do, take out a new page in your classwork book. Take out a new page in your classwork book. Write today's day and date. Suppose if this is the page, then write here day and date, 12th July 2021, Monday. Below that, give the title, chapter 2. What was the name of the chapter number 2? Yes, very good. It was Motions of the Earth. फिर उसके नीचे आप लोग लिखोगे वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज, ये भी आपका एक टाइटल ही होगा, ठीक है। I repeat, take out a new page in your classwork book, write today's day and date, give the title chapter 2 motions of the earth. Below that, write the heading workbook exercise. Yes, beta? Right now, can you see the workbook page of chapter 2 on your screens, all of you? Okay, now I've already written the title workbook exercise. Okay, below that write question 1 MCQ. ये जो लिखे ना चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम, ये कुछ लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ राइट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 MCQ. एंड अगेन MCQ हम कैसे लिखेंगे? नंबर 1, when it is daytime in India, which of the following countries will it be night? Answer Canada. ABCD मत लिखो. Second, in which direction does the earth rotate on its axis? Answer west to east. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? Write only the question and directly the correct answer. जैसे हमने चैप्टर 1 में लिखा था, you already know. Okay, so I want you to complete this page. अभी हमारे पास we have more than 10 minutes. So you can very easily write this first page today itself. Okay, जैसे ही आपके 8 MCQs खत्म होते हैं, leave 2 lines and give the title, fill in the blanks. Again, don't write the old instructions. जो पूरा यहाँ पर लिखा है ना, fill in the blanks with proper words और numbers, ये जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ लिखो fill in the blanks and then write 1 2 3. और भी है blanks next page में, but that will continue later on. Are you very clear with all the instructions, students? Okay, start writing. And in between, if you have any doubts, कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो you can ask me. Okay? Okay, now anybody writing this page? I hope everybody has completed 8 MCQs and 3 fill in the blanks. Jessica done? Okay, now here comes your second page. Here you have remaining fill in the blanks and true or false. Again, in true or false also, same thing we are going to do as we did in first chapter. जो ट्रू है वो आप सेंटेंस लिख के टिक मार्क कर दो. इफ इट इज फॉल्स यू हैव टू करेक्ट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि ये एक्चुअली आप आज तो नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, तो ट्रू और फॉल्स के इंस्ट्रक्शंस मैं आपको वापस से दूंगी इन द नेक्स्ट कमिंग लेक्चर. जस्ट नाउ वी हैव लेस देन 1 मिनट लेफ्ट. जब तक लेक्चर खत्म होता है, यू स्टार्ट विथ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. बाकी की ब्लैंक्स आई विल शेयर द सेम पेज इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में भी यही पेज शेयर करूंगी, सो यू कैन कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम वेर यू स्टॉप. एम आई वेरी क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Continue writing.